Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the second monitor is powered, awake, and connected by the correct cable. Once connected, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. You should see two rectangles. If you do not, click Detect to force the system to search. Make the external monitor active by selecting its rectangle and choosing Extend or Duplicate. This ensures you are adjusting the correct screen. Now you're ready to change resolution safely, without disrupting your workflow or moving windows unexpectedly. With the second monitor selected, open the resolution drop-down and choose the monitor's native resolution for the sharpest image. If you experience lag or scaling issues, select the next lower option to balance clarity and performance. Use scaling settings only if text or UI elements appear too small. Set scaling in 25% increments to test readability. Click Apply, then confirm the change when prompted. Make sure to observe for flicker or artifacts before proceeding. This prevents rolling back mid-task and losing. Once the resolution is applied, open Advanced Display Settings to verify the refresh rate matches the monitor's spec. A mismatched rate can cause tearing or stutter. Make sure GPU drivers are up to date. Drivers often add resolutions and fix detection bugs. If problems persist, swap cables or ports to rule out a defective connector and try the monitor on a different PC. If you still see limited options, use the graphics control panel for custom resolutions. Quick troubleshooting, update drivers first, then check cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.